Show you how to connect to desktop mode on your Samsung Galaxy S26 directly to a Samsung Smart TV via cable here. Okay, so you can see I'm currently connected here. I can bring up the touchpad right here, that little rectangle thing down there, and now I have a little mouse you can see on the screen here. Let's open up settings. If I want to scroll down, you got to use 2 fingers like that. Let me go ahead and close this. Now let me go ahead and disconnect. So the cable that you want is a HDMI to a USB-C. I'll put a link below where you can get this, okay? But connect HDMI to your Samsung TV in the back and USB-C to your Samsung Galaxy phone. Just go ahead and plug it back right in and it should pop up right away. Okay, if it doesn't, then you just need to change it to the correct HDMI port that is currently on. Okay, so pretty simple. Questions or issues, just comment below.